Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Athena partitions and bucketing strategies, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your AWS account. Navigate to the Amazon Athena service from the Services menu. Select the query editor. Choose the database that contains the table you want to work with. Ensure you have the correct permissions to access the database. Locate the table that you wish to analyze. Click on the table to view its details. Look for the partition column names listed in the schema. Use the Alter Table command to add partitions. Specify the partition values according to your dataset. For example, if your dataset is partitioned by date, include the relevant date ranges. Once partitions are added, you can run a query to verify they were successfully created. Use the Show Partitions command to view all available partitions in the table. Next, let's discuss bucketing strategies. Identify the columns in your dataset that would benefit from bucketing. Common choices for bucketing include columns with high cardinality. Consider the number of unique values in the column you plan to use for bucketing. Use the Create Tables statement along with the Clustered by clause to define your bucketing strategy. Specify the number of buckets based on your dataset size. Keep in mind that a larger number of buckets can lead to better performance but also increased complexity. After creating a table with bucketing, load your data into the buckets. You may need to use the Insert Into statement to populate the new table. Once your data is loaded, you can write queries to take advantage of the bucketing. Monitor your query performance to ensure that the bucketing strategy is effective. Adjust the number of buckets or the bucketing column if necessary based on initial results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.